Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and over the years I've made a lot of videos on find and replace, and this one would be a good example of it. If you wanted to turn the red pieces, and if you look, they're all pieces. If you wanted to turn all the red ones to another color on a sheet that you've already printed, let's say, and you want to change the color, well, if you go to Edit and Find and Replace, and go to Edit Query, and then check Uniform Fill and double click on the text. Get here, no matter what the color palette is, get your eyedropper tool and get over and get that red, and then say OK, and then press Find All. And then when it does that, when you can see all the, it's 432 objects there, you're going to change to blue in a click of a mouse button. Let's make it a green so you can see it more. Well, that doesn't show up very good, but you turned all the red ones green. Now, not only can you do that, we've still got them all selected. Tell you what, let's just go back to red, do it again, find all. It's going to take just a second to find them all. And then let's say you want to put an outline around them. All you have to do is go up to your pen tool and right click outline, and it put a black outline just around the red. You could do the same thing for the yellow, but you could have done the same thing to all of them just by, if you wanted an outline on all of them. Let's just zoom in here, select them all, or Control A to select everything, and then right click your mouse to put an outline in it, put an outline around the yellow and the red. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.